Here's how to buy my Coqui meme coin on pump.fun in 6 easy steps. First, you'll need a digital wallet. It's like a purse or wallet on your mobile phone or computer. But instead of holding cash or credit cards, it holds digital money such as crypto coins. A popular one is called Phantom Wallet. You can get it from the App Store or use it on your computer. Second, once you have installed the Phantom Wallet, you will need to put some Solana in your wallet. The ticker symbol is SOL. This is the money you will use on pump.fun. The third step. Open your browser and type in pump.fun. Then connect your Phantom Wallet by clicking the button at the top right of the screen. Step number 4. You'll see lots of fun coins with silly names. You will want to search for the ticker symbol COQUI. Look for the frog with the Puerto Rico hat playing the congos. Next, at number 5. On the coins page, there's a slider where you choose how much Solana you want to spend. After that, click Buy. Your wallet will ask you to approve the transaction. Click Approve. The final step is real simple. You now own some of that meme coin, which I hope is COQUI. You can see it in your wallet or check how it's doing on pump.fun. You can sell, trade, or buy more whenever you want. Leave in the comments any questions you may have.